Today, we're going to take a look at a razor replacement. So those that shave or have an older machine or maybe a two-bladed machine, we're going to take a look at it and see what you can get. So first of all, I'm going to put the description of what kind of models this works for. Very simple, easy to use. Those that have the road mode, that they take this machine on the road pretty much, and they've been using it for many years. You could replace the blades. It's very simple. If you guys can see the two blades in here, the whole attachment comes off. You guys see one of the blades just popped out right now, but I'm just going to show you how detailed the blades are. Very sharp, right? So be careful with them. All right, so they give you the cover itself, the two blades. These two blades actually have to line up into the system itself, and I'm gonna put a little description here how you set them up. All right, so basically these are the actual blades that you put in the system. The system vibrates and it cuts out, and this is the system that actually covers the actual blades from touching your face. So if you have an older machine, this is stainless steel, it won't get any rust or anything like that. But if you have an older machine, you might be able to time to start replacing it, because hair does get clogged in this stuff and it's very difficult to remove. And once it does that, it's very hard to shave, and you're only going to have one side of the shave. You're not going to shave even. So you want to make sure you're able to shave even. You can replace the blades and you can replace the cover. So very simple, easy to use, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.